has won a landmark civil case against the man who was cleared of raping her in a criminal court. She's been awarded £100,000 in personal injury damages following a case in Dundee. She told STV News she hopes the ruling will now encourage other victims to seek justice through the civil route. Susan Nicholson reports.
For me, I feel like millions of stones have just been lifted off me, and I almost can now breathe properly for once.
The words of an alleged rape victim who has just made Scottish legal history. She's the first to successfully sue her alleged attacker after he'd been cleared of rape in a criminal trial.
I was heartbroken following the not proven verdict, and I just felt there had to be something more I could do for both myself and for other people out there who've been through this situation.
Sean Diamond, a 24-year-old serving soldier, had walked free after the majority not proven verdict last year. He'd denied raping the woman as she slept in a flat in Dundee. But his alleged victim then raised a personal injury claim at the city's sheriff court, which he did not defend. He's now been ordered to pay her £100,000.
Even though it's not a criminal judgment, it's still somebody who knows the law, has read the case, and said, yes, there is evidence here. Yes, this is the situation. And it's just a step forward for women like myself, and men likewise.
This is the second civil case in the past 2 years. We know there's going to be another one coming up. We're just waiting the verdict from that, from a case just 2 months ago, and there's other cases coming forward. I think what this demonstrates is that women are feeling incredibly let down by the criminal justice system, and I think as more and more women turn to the civil justice system, I do think it really shows us an impetus to look at how does the criminal justice system respond to rape, and why are so many people feeling so let down that they're having to turn to civil action to get some form of justice.
It's a different standard of proof, so before the jury could be convinced to convict, they would require to establish that the charge had been proved beyond reasonable doubt, which is quite a high standard. In relation to civil procedure, had there been a trial in the sense of evidence being led, the judge would only require to be satisfied that the allegation had been proved on the balance of probabilities. Namely, it was more probable that the incident happened than that it wasn't.
Tonight, solicitors acting for Sean Diamond say due to an oversight he failed to defend the action. He intends to ask the court to recall the ruling, and he'll fight any fresh civil case. The Army say they're now considering administrative action against him, which could result in dismissal. Susan Nicholson, STV News.
NHS